Alis kasi sa alis. Sabi nga, nakalis si Alam. Uy, ano na, marami.
Nandun pati. Sa Diyosa.
Sa mukha lang pang. Hindi. Maganda. No sweat. Illegal. Oo, kayong taga ko. DJ.
You were meant to be free. Just like an eagle soaring high, yet you will see that that's the sky.
No?
You have a right to this place. Like for you.
Di man ko no, di. Di man.
You are no less than a child of the maker. You are the keeper of the land of the earth. You are the agent of the beginning. You're the leader of Mother Earth. And you're holding the key between you and me. That is a choice we need to see. It is the choice that we must take. We're not equating in ways to be a main state. You were so close to be named an angel. You're a defender of the nameless and free. You were so free to become a peacemaker, to make or unmake come to you. For the sake of the future, of our daughters and sons, in the name of all creatures, give survival a chance. You are no less than a child of the Maker. You are the keeper of the land of your birth. You are the will. You are the Lord. You are the seeker. The story to tell comes forth. You are so good to be named an innkeeper. You are a defender of the nameless and great. You are so big to become a peacemaker. To make or unmake, to do or undo.
Yung wow. Sige mo, ay! Dira, tabi dyan. Ganda na. Madam, sorry. Saalan. Ay, ang ganda.